Hey everyone, I'm Yashasvi. I'm a third year Bachelor of Technology student with a major in networking at British Columbia Institute of Technology. Today I'm going to talk about network function virtualization and how it can be of benefit to Telus. NFV, that stands for Network Function Virtualization, is a technology that allows network functions such as DNS server, firewall, encryption to run as a software on standard servers instead of as dedicated hardware appliances. NFV enables network functions to be treated as virtual machines that can be easily deployed, moved, and scaled as needed. NFV decouples functions like a DNS server, a firewall, or encryption methods from dedicated hardware in a monolithic architecture and moves these functions to a dedicated server instead. Telus can then purchase inexpensive switches, storage, and server to run VMs that perform these network functions. NFV's architecture looks something like this, where it replaces these costly dedicated and purpose built hardware with the generic servers that use software to provide a bunch of different virtualized network functions. These VNFs can act as or work as a router or a switch or a DNS server or a caching server or a load balancer or SD-WAN and so on. And thus delivering these network functions as software. It's basically decoupling the network services from the hardware and delivering them as softwares, and thus makes it easy to scale up or scale down based on the capacity and the need, thus providing scalability to our network. Now, looking at the Telus' International iLabs initiative to incorporate SDN to their networks, it makes it even important or valuable to include NFV, since SDN offers to digitize the network within the network and the physical layers. NFV focuses on the application and the transport layers. SDN, in conjunction with NFV, aims to provide an optimum solution to digitizing Telus' network. Telus can even take advantage of forming partnership with emerging startups like Dali Wireless. They're based out of Vancouver, who have already patented this technology and utilize their services to provide to Telus' customers. This not only helps to reduce the upfront cost for Telus to set up their virtual machines on their own, and also provides an opportunity to take advantage of Dali Wireless's infrastructure and reach. Our cost benefit analysis of adding NFE will result in reducing Telus' OPEX because we need less hardware maintenance, longer lifetime of the installed hardware, and less hardware cost overall, and CapEx because we need less equipment in general, less space needed for the hardware to work in, reduced network power consumption, and faster service lifecycle. No more dedicated hardwares for services such as a firewall or a DNS server or a load balancer or caching and whatnot, thus adding scalability and flexibility and agility to the network. Thank you.